Actually, it's cool that I don't have to use this until I run over my freaking camera. Deep again. Okay, let's see. Out here. Good old manual. Man. Is that a welded on clamp? It is. Interesting. WD-40. There we go. Good beauty. Alright, now we're gonna keep on cruising, keep on cruising, keep on cruising. Ah, the vegetable group. Vegetable group. Bam. Alright, so now let's get that tool. Let's see how much of a pain in the dick this is gonna be. It's gonna be a big pain in the dick. We already know that. Got it. Just like that. It's stuck. Now I got it. Oh, you're stuck right now. There we go. That's boo. Oh my god. Before it starts freaking out on me, so let's see. One more. So yeah, we're gonna say just under 4 pounds. Now, this thing, alright, let's see. It can hold my fat ass. It can, come on. So we're at about 25.3 pounds for this guy. As you can see, 25. Nope, not. There it goes, 25. Go to AutoZone. We can start this car up and hear how it sounds. now I'm just essentially applying P. Diddy's baby oil all over to this exhaust. So that way, I don't have to worry about anything. Everything about P. Diddy's oil. Alright, you guys ready? I'm ready. This is getting so fucking exciting. I think we are.